with the Paw Patrol and PJ Masks. Have fun! Hi everyone, welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're getting drinks from our vending machine, and we have PJ Masks and the Paw Patrol with us. Up first is Owlette. Owlette is red. Let's put our money in the vending machine. What kind of drink do you want, Owlette? I'll have lemon lime. One lemon lime coming up. There it is. This lemon lime drink is yellow and green. Up next we have Chase, and Chase is wearing blue and green. Chase, what kind of drink would you like? I would like apple. Here comes the apple. This apple drink says apple in yellow. It also has red and pink on it. Catboy is up next. He is also wearing blue, just like Chase. Catboy, what kind of drink would you like? I would love the sports drink. Okay, let's get the sports drink. Ooh, there it is, Miss Hands. Catboy, this sports drink is blue, just like you. It also has white bubbles and yellow letters. Sky is up next. Sky is wearing pink. And Sky can fly! Miss Hands, I would like to try the lemon lime drink. Okay, Sky, let me put the money in, and we'll get our drink. Here's the lemon lime drink. It has yellow and green on it. Up next is Gecko, and he's wearing green. What kind of drink do you want, Gecko? I would love some apple juice. Okay, time for some apple juice. Here's our apple juice. It has pink and green apples on it, and a red stripe. Up next is Rubble. Rubble is wearing yellow. Our vending machine is also yellow. Okay, Rubble, what do you want to drink? I would like a sports drink. I'm very thirsty. Okay, Rubble, let's put the money in and get the sports drink. This sports drink has yellow letters just like Rubble's colors, and it's blue with white bubbles. How many drinks did we get today? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many members of PJ Masks do we have? 1, 2, 3. How many members of Paw Patrol do we have? 1, 2, 3. How many characters do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Those drinks look delicious. I hope you had fun learning colors and counting. Have a great day!
Red bell pepper. Peach. Strawberry. Grapes. Pineapple. Orange. Kiwi. Tomato. Pear. Lemon. Apple.
Today we're learning colors with the Paw Patrol. This is Chase, and Chase is wearing a blue hat. This is Rubble, and Rubble is wearing a yellow hat. This is Marshall, and Marshall's wearing a red hat. This is Rocky, and Rocky's wearing a hat that is white and green. This is Everest. Everest is purple, and her hat is teal. This is Zuma. Zuma is a brown dog, and he's wearing orange. This is Sky, and Sky is wearing pink goggles. Sky is going on the pink peg. Marshall's going on the red peg. Everest is going on the purple peg. And Rocky is on the green peg. What color peg should we hammer? Blue, orange, yellow, or blue? Let's hammer orange. Bye, Marshall. Now let's hammer blue. Bye, Rocky. Let's hammer yellow. Bye, Everest. Next, let's hammer blue. Bye, Sky. This pup's gonna fly. Let's hammer the red one to make Marshall with the red hat fly. Bye, Marshall. Chase has a blue hat and he's on the blue peg. We're going to hammer the green one to make Chase fly. Bye, Chase. Rubble has a yellow hat and is on the yellow peg. We're going to hammer the purple one to make Rubble fly. Bye, Rubble! Zuma is wearing an orange hat and is on our orange peg. Let's hammer the red one to make Zuma fly. Bye, Zuma! Everest is on the blue peg. Let's hammer the pink one to make her fly. Bye, Everest! The colors we learned today were blue, green, yellow, purple, orange, red, blue, and pink. Bye, everyone! Let's learn numbers and colors with cars. Have fun! Hi, everyone! We are learning numbers and colors with cars. This is our car loader. It's going to pick up a car. This car is blue, and it has a green stripe. What number's on this car? It's the number 1 car. See you later, number 1 car. Let's pick up another car. This car is white. It has a red stripe and yellow headlights. What number is on it? It's the number 2. See you later, number 2 car. Time to pick up another car. This car is red, and it has a yellow stripe and a white headlight. What number is on this car? It's number 3. See you later, number 3. Let's pick up another car. This car is yellow with a blue stripe and white headlights. What number is on this car? It's number 4. See you later, number 4. It's time for our cars to go in the garage. Let's lower the elevator. That elevator is yellow with red on it. Here comes the number 1 car. Number 1 is going to the top. It's driving around and it's trying to park. Uh-oh, there are already cars there. Number 1 needs to back up. Oh good, the red car is backing up. It's going down the ramp now. This car is red, but it has no number on it. Now the number 1 car can park in the number 1 parking spot. Look, the blue car is backing up. It's ready to go down the ramp. This car is blue, and it has no number on it. It's time for the number 2 car to go into the garage. Uh-oh, it has to wait for the elevator to come down. Time to go up. Can the number 2 car find its parking spot? Is this its parking spot? No, that's the number 3. Is this its parking spot? Yes, that's the number 2. The elevator's coming back down. And the number 3 car is going into the garage. Time to ride up the elevator. Is there a spot for the number 3 car? Yes, right here is the number 3. The elevator is going back down. And here comes the number 4 car. It's going up on the elevator. Does the number 4 car have a parking spot? No, there's no number 4 parking spot. Number 4 car is going to go down the ramp. Here comes the number 4 car. The number 4 car wants to park in the lower garage. And the door just opened up for him. See you later, number 4 car. It's time for the cars to get back on the car loader. Number 1 car, come down the ramp. Number 2 car, come down the ramp. Number 3 car, it's your turn. We have cars number 1, 2, 3. They are blue, white, and red. But where is car number 4? There it is. Car number 4 is yellow. Our car loader is here and ready to get car number 1. It's time for car number 2. Okay, car number 3, you're next. And car number 4, you're next. Our cars are loaded.